I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at a Coachmen Beyond Model 22C. This one has Li3 with lithium. Check out this awesome Ford Transit van from Coachmen. Hashtag van life. This is a Class B camper van that touches everything that everybody's going to want. It drives better, it's built better, and it's better for tall people on the inside. It does sit on the Ford Transit chassis. It does also have the lithium-ion package, which means there's no generator on board. The lights, the air conditioning all runs from the AC. When we open the side door, you will see how tall and beautiful it is. There's also a door in the rear, but there's no bike racks or anything. So go on inside and do a 360 left. As we enter, you will be able to see this is an awesome, spacious Class B. Look at the head height in here. Tall enough for people who are 6 feet tall and everything. Up front is the cockpit area, Ford Transit chassis. Both seats do swivel to become part of the living area. And then right over here is your wet bath. Okay, you got the toilet there, a little sink in the shower. Not an ideal situation, but again, guys, that's van life. Nice cooktop area. You do got good solid, I wouldn't call it solid surface countertops, but it is nice hard cabin countertops. Right over here, you got a really good sized fridge. And then back here's your seating. This is 3 seats with seat belts. All you got to do is push this button. You got a TV there. Once you push this button, the seat lays all the way back and it becomes your sleeper area. Great, guys, so that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Coachmen Beyond 22C. If you guys are interested in learning more about this motorhome, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RVing Reviews. Or if you know that this is a motorhome that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.